I am the co-op intern for the Fire Protection Research Foundation.
I worked as a technical services intern.
I'm currently interning in NFPA at Data and Analytics Department.
I worked in the Research Foundation and Technical Services.
Currently, I'm interning for the Fire Protection Research Foundation.
Right now, I'm interning for the NFPA Research Library and Archives.
I interned with technical services at the National Fire Protection Association.
I was assistant staff liaison to NFPA 3000, which is a brand new standard that focuses on preparedness and response to active shooter events.
I majorly worked on NFPA enhanced geocoding system.
In this summer, I worked on particularly on the Hadoop technology, which is the future of data processing.
Figuring out why fire apparatus get into accidents and how to prevent that.
And so the last project I worked on was for the Heroes Activity Center. It's an interactive museum in Alabama.
I also did a lot of research on the Grenfell fire because that happened at about the time that I was working there. So I did a lot of research on the cladding, and I reported to a couple of the engineers in the industrial chemical and the structural department at NFPA.
Interning for the NFPA, I thought it was a great experience.
You are not just given one project to work on.
I really got to meet our stakeholders and see what type of resources they were looking for.
I loved making connections with people outside of the Boston area, which I think was really important to grow as a student and as a future engineer.
The work is really meaningful because it all has a real-world impact. So it either started off from a real-world event or it has a real-world impact that you see going forward.
I can potentially go to any fire department in the country and see the methods or best practices that I've worked on in effect.
I got to network with the professionals in the fire protection world and understand the codes and standards process much better.
If you're looking to get immersed into the whole fire protection world, the NFPA is a great place for you.
You know that when you work here, your work matters.
The smallest amount of work which you do is going to get contributed in a bigger way.
Using information, knowledge, and passion to help people is exactly why I got into my field, so it only made sense to work for a company with those same ideals.
I'm Griffin Shira. I'm currently going to be a senior at Worcester Polytechnic Institute in chemical engineering.
I'm Alex Ng. I'm from WPI. I am in the FPE Accelerated Master's Program. So I'm doing my bachelor's in chemical engineering and my master's in fire protection engineering.
I'm Sally Liu, and I'm from China, and I graduated from WPI from Data Science Department.
My name is Rahul Khadge, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in data science from WPI.
Oh, my name is Caitlin Walker, and I just graduated with my Master's of Science in Library and Information Science from Simmons College in Boston, Massachusetts.
This is John Hart. I'm a senior fire protection engineer for the NFPA and a former intern.
My name is Mohammed Ayub. I'm a data scientist here in the Research Data and Analytics group. I was a former intern at NFPA.
Srinivasan Ranganathan. I am a research project manager at Fire Protection Research Foundation, which is a research affiliate of NFPA. Prior to that, I was a co-op at Fire Protection Research Foundation.